everybody. On today's menu we are going to be making lasagna. So I've already prepped some of the ingredients like the meat sauce. It's not complicated at all. Basically it takes ground beef, some spices like salt, pepper, cinnamon, and a little bit of basil, and then your 3 tomato products are tomato sauce, tomato paste, and diced tomatoes. So that's what this looks like right here, which will be used for layering the lasagna. So the next step I have is the cottage cheese mix that I'll be mixing in the blender. So it will consist of, let's go ahead and get that started. Cottage cheese, also I have 2 eggs, some fresh washed parsley, a little bit of salt, and pepper, Parmesan cheese, and time to mix. So I won't let you guys hear this part, it'll get pretty loud. Okay, so I made the cottage cheese mix. Now it's time to go ahead and layer the lasagna. So first you start with some meat sauce. And just spread some in the pan. That's the first layer. Next, you will get a layer of lasagna noodles. You have to boil these, by the way, before you add them to the layering. Unless some stores have the no bake type. I don't know if you can find that type, but this I didn't have any of that. I didn't have the time to go look in the store also, so I just used what I have available. Okay, so we did the meat sauce layer, then the noodle layer, then we're going to add another layer of the meat sauce. Just a little bit on top of the noodles that you already placed. Okay. Then after that layer of meat sauce, we are going to add some shredded cheese. I thought I had mozzarella cheese available, but apparently I didn't. It'll taste fine with this type of cheese as well. It's the Colby Jack mix. But if you have mozzarella, go ahead and use mozzarella. Cover the layer here. Okay. Next, you'll add another layer of the noodles. Okay, then it's time to add the cottage cheese mix. So you just want to go ahead and spread that as evenly as possible. Smoothing it out everywhere. Okay. Then you want to add another layer of the cheese. Okay, now another layer of noodles. Some of these noodles broke in while boiling, so I'll just make sure I get that piece covered. Okay, like that. Okay. Now our last bit of meat sauce. Gotta make a mess. Spread that out evenly too. And then the final layer, more cheese. There we go. So that completes the layering of the mozzarella, no, not the mozzarella, layering of the lasagna. So before I put it in the oven, because I bake it covered first little while. So what I like to do, here's a great tip my mom taught me. When you get the foil, spray it with non-stick spray. This way the cheese will not stick to the foil in the oven. So loosely put it on there and then pop it in the oven and then bake it for about 45 minutes and then check on it. When you check on it, that's when you want to remove the foil and let it bake for another 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to do that and I'll come back once it's finished. Alright everybody, welcome back. So I have the finished product here for everybody to have a look at what it looks like, the texture of it, the layers, the beauty of it. I will have all the ingredients and the method that I used to make this beautiful, delicious meal down in the description. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Till next time.